no one will ever realize that you're wearing any kind of makeup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your natural beauty with simple products with makeup in a way that no one realizes that you're wearing any kind of makeup. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. The first step is to wash your face with a cleanser that suits your skin well. The next step is to shave our face to have that soft and beautiful base to start with. So right now I'm gonna wash my face and then I'm going to shave it. I'll be right back. I came back. Next step is to rub a cube of ice. This is actually good. I'm gonna rub it all over my skin. I'm gonna wait until it dries by itself. Okay, it's now all dried and clean. I'm going to hydrate my skin with this product. This is it. So that's that. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this moisturizer. I avoid applying it on my T-zone because my T-zone tends to get oily. I'm gonna apply it here. Okay, we need more hydration, so I'm gonna spray this all over my skin. I feel so much clean and so much fresh. Now it's time to start the makeup itself. Since this makeup is a no makeup and you don't want to other people find out that you are wearing makeup, we're not going to use foundation. But recently I discovered this My Makeup Story contour palette. For no makeup, I'm going to use this palette and I'm gonna use one of the concealers. I'm gonna apply the concealer only on the blemishes or any dark spots that I find in my face. So this is it. So I blended all the red spots into my skin. As you can see, it is pretty well natural. Now I'm going to fix it with some powder. Okay, I'm gonna set it here and here. It is as if that I am gifted with this kind of skin. The next step is to give a little bit color to our cheeks and lips. And for that, I'm going to use this product. This is LA Girl Soft Matte Cream Blush, and it is a very natural color. So what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna put a little bit at the back of my hand. This much would be enough. And with a brush, I'm gonna tap at the back of my hand. After this, I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks. And I'm gonna take just a little bit for my nose as well. And on the chin as well. I'm not gonna apply any kind of mascara for my eyes because if I apply a mascara, it will be obvious that I'm wearing makeup. So I just want to give dimension to it. I want to use this contour with a fluffy brush and I'm going to take the extra powder out of my brush like this. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to create some kind of dimension for it. So I'm going to create a dimension, but very much lightly. So that's enough. I'm gonna go with the other side. With a dark creamy contour and a very small brush, I try to create some kind of shadows for my eyes. I'm gonna just open my eyes and I try to feel alongside my lashes. So it's just gonna have to be a little bit upper than the upper lash line, not much, and a little bit on the lower lash line as well. I created some shadows for my eye and you can see the difference with this one. I'm gonna curl my lashes because I cannot use mascara, so this is what I can do. As for my lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of this on my lips, but I'm gonna take it with my finger very much slightly. I'm gonna add color to my lips. I'm gonna spread it out across my lip. As for my eyebrows, I can leave them the way they are, but I can also use some brow gel or brow soap. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upward to set them in one place. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my eyelashes as well, but this is optional. You can skip this level. Seriously, tell me the truth. Do you really feel any kind of makeup on my face? Because I don't. Well, that's that. It's over. Thank you so much for paying attention to this video. That will be very nice if you share this tutorial with your friends and to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. And I am so glad to have you by my side. That would be very much great if you just subscribe and keep on watching.